In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a new approval workflow template in Catenda Hub. Before you start, ensure you have the necessary permissions to configure workflows and know the teams involved in the approval process. Go to the Documents section to open the main document management area, where you can access various settings and workflows. Access the Settings section to open the configuration options for your documents and workflows. Go to the Approvals section to access the approval settings and workflow templates. Click here to configure workflows to manage and create approval workflow templates. Press the plus button to start creating a new approval workflow template. Specify the name of your new workflow template to clearly identify this workflow for future use. Set the start time for when the approval process should begin. Click 09 to select 9 a.m. as the start time for the workflow. Click the field to add submitters who will initiate the approval process. Select the Construction Workshop team as submitters for the workflow. Click here to assign teams responsible for reviewing the submissions. Start typing to filter and find the Contractor team. Select the Contractor team as reviewers in the workflow. Set the review period for the Contractor team. Fill 3 to allow 3 working days for the Contractor team to complete their review. Check this box to enable auto-approve to prevent bottlenecks. Documents will automatically receive approved reviews on behalf of teams that haven't responded by the due date. Add a step to include another review stage in the workflow. Click here to assign the next team responsible for review. Start typing to filter and find the ARC team. Select the ARC team as reviewers in this step. Set the review period for the Architecture team. Fill 2 to allow 2 working days for the ARC team to complete their review. Check this box to enable auto-approve to prevent bottlenecks. Add a step by repeating the same process as described previously to include another review stage in the workflow. You can add as many steps as needed for your workflow. Click here to assign the final approval team. Start typing to filter and find the Client team. Click at Client to add the Client team as the final approvers. Set the review period for the Client team. Fill 3 to allow 3 working days for the Client team to approve the submission. Click here to define the document status after approval. Click on Publish to set the document status to Published once approved. Click here to define the document status after rejection. Click on Shared to set the document status to Shared if rejected. Click on the Submit button to save and activate the new approval workflow template. You can now find your new approval workflow template on your workflows list. You have successfully created a new approval workflow template with multiple review steps and assigned teams. Verify the workflow by reviewing the template name, assigned teams, review periods and statuses. Next, you can apply this workflow to your projects or customize additional templates as needed.